Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss about an important theoretical concept about equation of the tangent to the circle. Already we explained what is the meaning of tangent. Again, just a recall. I am taking a circle here. Now, this should be P and Q. Now, P x1, y1, Q x2, y2 be any 2 points on the circle. Let P of x1, y1 and Q of x2, y2 be any 2 points on the circle. This is called chord. This is called chord. But we are going to find equation of the chord initially. After that, we are going to convert this chord as a tangent. Now listen. The heading is equation of the tangent. We need to find equation of the tangent. Now, how this chord becomes a tangent? Now, initially it is a chord. This point Q x2, y2 moves along the circumference of the circle. Consider this Q. This is now said to be Q1. Now, see this diagram. Now PQ is initially chord, PQ1 is also a chord. Now again this point Q1 moves towards again this point P. Now it becomes Q2. Now you can join this one. Now PQ2 is also said to be a chord. Finally, this point Q coincides with P. Then we are able to get a tangent. This is called tangent. From your lower class, that means on your 10th standard and your 11th standard, you are discussing about the tangent. What is the meaning of tangent? It touches the curve. Curve is a common word. Here we are selecting a circle. It touches the circle at only one point. This is called equation of the tangent. Initially, PQ is the equation of the chord. This chord becomes tangent. How it is possible? This point Q x2, y2 moves along the circumference of the circle. Finally, it coincides with P x1, y1. Then the chord PQ becomes tangent. For example, I am giving an example like this. See, PQ. Consider this. PQ is the chord. Now, I am fixing this point P. I am rotating this point. See here. Now PQ1 is also a chord. Again rotating here. PQ2 is also a chord. Finally, again rotating like this. See here. Now the scale becomes a tangent. Initially, PQ is the chord. This point Q x2, y2 moves towards P x1, y1 and finally coincides. Now this chord becomes tangent. This is the formation of the tangent from the chord. So we have to find equation of the chord first. After that we are able to convert equation of the tangent. Now listen, this is an important theory. Not for the marks, but it is only for your knowledge. So you have to gain the knowledge. Now listen, PQ. What is the meaning of PQ? We are able to find the equation of PQ now. Equation of the chord PQ. We are going to find out the equation of the chord PQ. It is nothing but the line joining any 2 points. From your lower classes, you have a formula. It is nothing but the line joining any 2 points. What is the formula? Y minus y1 divided by y2 minus y1 is equal to x minus x1 divided by x2 minus x1. This is the equation of the line joining any 2 points. So we are able to find the equation of the chord. So I am converting like this. Y minus y1 is equal to, cross multiplying this one, y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1 of x minus x1. This is nothing but what? Consider this one. y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1 is nothing but the slope. So we can write y minus y1 is equal to m of x minus x1. You can convert. This is in the form of slope y. Say this is equation number 1. Once again, listen this concept. I am finding out the equation of the chord PQ. It is nothing but equation of the line joining any 2 points. See Px1, y1 and Qx2, y2 be any 2 points. Therefore, we are using the formula y minus y1 divided by y2 minus y1 is equal to x minus x1 divided by x2 minus x1. Just cross multiplying. y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1 is nothing but the slope. So I can take like this, y minus y1 equal to m of x minus x1. This is the first logic we are used. Now, listen this one. Say the equation number 1 here. Just I worked out the equation of PQ. Equation of PQ. Just now I worked out. PQ is the chord. Now see this diagram. Just once again consider this diagram. Px1, y1, Qx2, y2. Just this is the chord. We are finding out the equation of that chord now. This is Px1, y1, Qx2, y2. These 2 points lie on the circumference of the circle. So we have equation of the circle. Equation of the circle. What is the formula? Equation of the circle. General form is x squared plus y squared plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. This is the equation of the circle. General equation. This circle, see the diagram, passing through 2 points. If an equation passing through any particular point, we can substitute here. So instead of this x1, y1, I am replacing this x, y as x1, y1. Therefore, this equation passing through, see the diagram, passing through P of x1, y1 and Q of x2, y2. Therefore, this equation may be modified as, see here, x1 squared plus y1 squared plus 2gx1 plus 2fy1 plus c equal to 0. That means, instead of this x, y, I am substituting the value x1, y1. Therefore, this equation is modified as x1 squared plus y1 squared 2gx1 2fy1 plus c equal to 0. Say this is equation number 2. Say this is equation number 2. Once again, the same equation passing through the point, second point q x2, y2. Therefore, it can be modified like this: x2 squared plus y2 squared plus 2g x2 2f y2 plus c equal to 0. Say this is result number 3. So result number 3. Now equation number 2 and 3 are obtained from this general equation of the circle. See, the general equation of the circle is x squared plus y squared plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. This is the diagram. This circle passing through x1, y1 as well as x2, y2. Therefore, this circle passing through 2 particular points. Therefore, we can replace, instead of the variable x, y, I am substituting the point x1 squared, y1 squared, 2gx1, 2fy1 plus c equal to 0. Again, I am replacing the another one x2, y2. Substitute here x2 squared, y2 squared, 2gx2, 2fy2 plus c equal to 0. From this, I am able to find the slope m. From this, I am able to find the slope m. See here, this value I am able to find. How? See here, third equation minus second equation. Third equation here, second equation here. I am subtracting 3 minus 2. See here, directly I am subtracting. This is the third equation. This is the second equation. So x2 squared minus x1 squared. I can write like this: x2 squared minus x1 squared. See the second one. This is y2 squared minus y1 squared. y2 squared minus y1 squared. Again 2gx2 minus 2gx1. From this I can take out 2g as a constant. So take out 2g as a common. The remaining is x2 minus x1. In the same way, see here 2f(y2), 2f(y1). From this I can take 2f as a common. The remaining is y2 minus y1. The last one here also constant c. Here also c minus c becomes 0 equal to 0. So this logic, learn this logic very thoroughly. Third equation minus second equation. This is the third equation, x2 squared minus x1 squared. I am subtracting the same families. y2 squared minus y1 squared. See here 2g as a common. Take out 2g as common. The remaining is x2 minus x1. Here 2f as common. Take out, the remaining is y2 minus y1. C must be removed. Now again I can simplify this one. Again I can simplify. See this one. x2 minus x1 squared. It is in the form of a squared minus b squared. So I can take x2 minus x1, x2 plus x1 as we are able to split a squared minus b squared. It can be in the form of a plus b into a minus b. So remaining c here. Here also we are having one more x families. So see here one x families. I am pairing all these x families first. Again see the second y families. y2 squared minus y1 squared. It is also in the form of a squared minus b squared. So I can split like this. y2 minus y1. Again y2 plus y1. Take here 2f, then y2 minus y1 is equal to 0. See once again, pairing the same families. x2 minus x1 the whole square here, x2 squared minus x1 squared. So it can be split in the form of a plus b into a minus b. Again already 2g x2 here. See here y2 squared minus y1 squared, split a plus b into a minus b formation. Again take 2f, again one more y family here. See this is also y families. So pair the x families and the y families separately. Now see this one. From this we can take out x2 minus x1 as common. x2 minus x1 as common. What is the remaining value here? If you are taking out x2 minus x1, the remaining value is here x2 plus x1 plus 2g. See here, I am taking out x2 minus x1. So I am taking out this factor as common, x2 minus x1. The remaining x2, x1, 2g. In the same way here, I am taking y2 minus y1 as common. See here, y2 minus y1 as common. See this y2 minus y1, y2 minus y1 as common. The remaining is here y2 plus y1 plus 2f equal to 0. From this we need to find the value of y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus 1. From this we are able to get. See here, and keep this y family here, y2 minus y1 of y2 plus y1 plus 2f is equal to, convert this x family to the other side, then we can get minus. So minus of x2 minus x1, the remaining is x2 plus x1 plus 2g. So this is the, so I am converting this y family here, keep in the same side, converting the other side. We need slope. What is the slope here? y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. See here, we have already got y2 minus y1. So this factor is multiplying here. Convert to the other side, then it will become divided by, so y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. So this factor divided here. Then this is multiplication here. Convert to the other side. We can get x2 plus x1 plus 2g, already it has a negative symbol, divided by here y2 plus y1 plus 2f. See, this is nothing but the slope m. See here, y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1, that is nothing but slope. So we can say it is the slope. From your lower standard, you are using what is the formula to find the slope? Slope m equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. So we got the slope. Now we are going to substitute this slope in equation number 1. Once again, listen here. What is the procedure? It is an important theory. So here, no problems. That means no numerical values. So we have to concentrate what is the concept here. So in theoretical only, you are learning about the concept. So what is the concept? PQ is the chord. So we are going to find out the equation of the chord. What is the formula to find the chord? It is nothing but the line joining any 2 points. Therefore use the formula y minus y1 divided by y2 minus y1 is equal to x minus x1 divided by x2 minus x1. Then convert. That means rearranging like this. Then we are getting the y minus y1 equal to m of x minus x1. It is nothing but the equation of the chord. That is the equation number 1. Now, what is the general equation of the circle? X squared plus y squared plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0 is the general equation of the circle. That circle passing through 2 particular points. What are the 2 points? P of x1, y1 and q of x2, y2 be the 2 points. Therefore, we can substitute the point. Then the circle modified like this: x1 squared plus y1 squared plus 2gx1 plus 2fy1 plus c equal to 0. Say that is equation number 2. Again, it can be modified: x2 squared plus y2 squared plus 2gx2 2fy2 again plus c equal to 0. Consider that is third equation. Third equation minus second equation. So third equation minus second equation. We can get the formation like this. Therefore, pairing with the same family. That is the concept. x2 squared minus x1 squared. Same x family. Here y2 squared minus y1 squared. Same y family. Take out 2g as a common. Then x2 minus x1. 2f as common. y2 minus y1. Then c must be removed. Then from this, see here, this is x family. This upper arrow mark belongs to x family. This lower arrow mark belongs to y family. So here, it is in the form of convert an algebraic formula. A plus b into a minus b. Same here. A plus b into a minus b. Then keep the y families here. Then take out x2 minus x1 as common. Here y2 minus y1 as common. These are the 2 common factors to take out. The remaining x2, x1, 2g. Here y2, y1, 2f. Then from this we are able to find the slope m. This is y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1, that is equal to minus of this value. Say now I have to substitute this slope in equation number 1. See here. This is already we worked out. Now substitute m in equation 1. M is nothing but y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. That is the slope. So I have to substitute here. See that y minus y1 is equal to y minus y1 is equal to, instead of this m, I am replacing minus of x2 plus x1 plus 2g divided by y2 plus y1 2f. Again, it is multiplication of x minus x1. Then convert the denominator, then cross multiplication here. So I can write like this: y minus y1 of y2 plus y1 plus 2f is equal to minus of x2 plus x1 plus 2g, again x minus x1. This is to be equation of the chord. It is also the equation of the chord. Here we are able to find out the value of m. So we are able to find out the value of m. This is nothing but the slope. Then I can replace this m in the form of x2 plus x1 plus 2g divided by y2 plus y1 plus 2f with a negative symbol. Now it is cross multiplied. This is to be equation of the chord PQ. Now the chord PQ becomes tangent. Initially I am explaining What is the meaning of tangent? PQ is the chord. That chord becomes tangent. How the chord becomes tangent? The point Qx2, y2 coincides with the Px1, y1. Then the chord PQ becomes equation of the tangent. Now listen. This is the equation of the chord. Now, already explained. The point Qx2, y2 moves along the circumference and finally coincides with the Px1, y1. You can write a sentence. The point Qx2, y2 moves towards P of x1, y1. This means moves towards. That initially coincides. Initially, then Qx2, y2, Px1, y1 are two different points. Finally, they are coincides. Therefore, substitute x2 equal to x1 and y2 equal to y1. See here, x2, x1 are different. If x2 and x1, y2 and y1 are different, then it is called chord. Then they are coincides, then the chord becomes tangent. So I am substituting here. See here, y minus y1. So instead of this y2, I am going to replace y1. Therefore, y1 plus again y1 plus 2f is equal to minus of, replace this x2, x1, again x1 plus 2g of x minus x1. Now this chord becomes tangent. This is the equation of the tangent. We can simplify this one. See here, y1 again adding with y1. So y minus y1 of y1 again adding with y1, we can get 2y1. Then already 2f equal to minus of this x1 again adding with x1, we can get to 2x1 plus 2g of x minus x1 of x minus x1. See here, we are able to take 2 as a common. Here also we are able to take 2 as a common. Then the 2 will be removed. Therefore, y minus y1 of y1 plus f, 2 will be take out common, it will be removed. Then y1 plus f is equal to, here also we can take out 2 as a common, then it will be eliminated. Then x1 plus g, it is multiplication with the x minus x1. See once again, this is the equation of the chord. This chord becomes tangent. How? The point Qx2, y2 moves along the circumference and finally coincides with the Px1, y1. Then the chord PQ becomes tangent at Px1, y1. Therefore, I can replace x2 equal to x1, y2 equal to y1. Substitute here. Then simplify. We can get 2y1. Then take out 2 as a common. Here also 2x1. Take out 2 as a common. 2 will be removed. Now, we are going to work out the multiplication. Then simplify it. Now listen. These two factors are multiplication with each other. So y is multiplication with y1. I can write like this, y1. Y is multiplication with y1. This y again multiplication with the f. Say yf positive. This y1 again multiplication with y1. I can write y1 squared minus y1 squared. Again minus y1 f. Just work out the product. y1, see here. yf, second one. y1 again multiplication with y1. I can write y1 squared. Then minus y1 f. In the same way, work out the product in your RHS. But we have a negative symbol. See here. Minus of x1 multiplication with x. Therefore, I can write x1 minus of. Again, this negative multiplication with here. Negative of negative becomes positive x1 squared. Positive. Negative x1. Again here negative x1. So x1 squared is positive. Again this minus g multiplication with x. Therefore I can get minus gx. So this negative is open with minus. Already one positive. Therefore we get minus gx. Again here negative g. Again here also one negative. It will become positive gx1. So gx1. So just work out the product. LHS1 product, RHS1 product. See x1 with negative. See again minus x1 squared with negative, it will become positive x1 squared. Gx with negative. Here gx1 negative, already one negative, it will become positive. Here in your LHS and RHS, we are having some positive values and negative values. Therefore convert all them in the same side. See here, this y1 squared, these two negatives go to the other side, it will become positive. See here one negative, here also one negative. Convert to the other side, we can get the positive result. So I can write like this, y1 here plus yf. Convert the two negatives here, xx1, then plus gx. Then convert these two negatives to the other side. So already here you are having one x1 squared plus gx1. Two values are positive already. These two negatives convert to the other side. So these two negatives convert to the other side, we can get y1 squared then plus y1f. See carefully. So convert these two negatives to the other side. That means in your RHS side. Again this negative to the other side. So we are able to get everything as a positive result. So I can rearrange this one, xx1 plus yy1 plus gx plus fy. So rearranging, that's all. So xx1 the first, yy1 the second, gx fy equal to, same way in your RHS side, x1 squared plus y1 squared plus gx1 plus fy1. So this is the formation, just we are rearranging, that's all. Now listen, see your equation number 2. Already we discussed many things, so refer your notebook. What is the value of equation number 2? Already I worked out the theoretical concept. What is the value of equation number 2? Just refer your note. x1 squared plus, we know that x1 squared plus y1 squared plus 2gx1 plus 2fy1 plus c equal to 0. From equation number 2 you can refer this one. How this equation is formed? What is the general equation of the circle? X squared plus y squared plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0 is the equation of the circle. That circle passing through the point x1 comma y1, then it can be modified like this: x1 squared plus y1 squared 2gx1 plus 2fy1 plus c equal to 0. Now I can convert this one, x1 squared plus y1 squared. See this 2gx1, I can write like this: gx1 plus gx1. That can be written as 2gx1. So 2 times gx1 can be split in the form of gx1 again gx1. See this one here, 2fy1, I can write like this: fy1 again plus fy1 plus c equal to 0. See this one, we need 4 values. What are the 4 values? x1 squared plus y1 squared, gx1 plus fy1 I need. Say this x1 squared, use the tick formation. So all these tick formation I need. So I can write in your LHS side x1 squared, y1 squared, gx1, fy1 I want. So convert the remaining. See, gx1 convert to the other side, it will get negative. Again fy1, so minus gx1 minus fy1 minus c. So this is unwanted. This is unwanted value. So this is also unwanted. This is also unwanted. So convert these 3 unwanted values to the other side. So we can get gx1 negative, fy1 negative, minus c. So take out negative as common. So negative as common, it can be positive. So I can write like this: take out negative as a common. So gx1 fy1 plus c as the value of x1 squared, y1 squared, gx1, fy1. Substitute here, see this one, x1 squared, y1 squared, gx1, fy1. So see this one, x1 squared, y1 squared, gx1, fy1. So I can replace this one. So here xx1 plus yy1 plus gx plus fy is equal to this value, instead of this c here, negative of, what is the remaining? Gx1 plus fy1 plus c. So substitute this value here. That is the logic. So instead of this one, find out this value separately. Say give any one name, then substitute here. So this x1 squared, y1 squared, gx1, fy1 is replaced by minus of gx1, fy1 plus c. Now convert this negative into the same side. So convert this negative into the same side. I can write like this, xx1 plus yy1 plus, see here gx, here c1 negative, gx1, I can pair here gx1. So that negative convert to the other side, it will become positive. See here, fy is already in your LHS side. Convert this fy1 is negative here. We can say fy1 as positive. So one more negative c1 convert to the other side. It will become positive c1 is equal to 0. Positive, sorry, c1 not this here is mistake, only c only. Because we are substituting x1 comma y1 only. C is a constant. So see, pairing this one, xx1 plus yy1. See here, take out g as a constant, take out x plus x1. So here take out f as common things. The remaining is y plus y1 plus c equal to 0. This is the equation of the tangent. Equation of the tangent. It is the, theoretically we derived the equation of the tangent. Listen once again, xx1, yy1, g of x plus x1, f y plus y1 plus c. See here, initially I am using c1 here, that is a mistake. Convert, it is a c only, because we are replacing x comma y as x1 comma y1. So c as a constant, that is the equation number 2. Selecting the equation number 2, that is x1 squared plus y1 squared plus 2gx1 plus 2fy1 plus c equal to 0. So make it clearly not c1, c. So this is the equation of the tangent, xx1 plus yy1, g of x plus x1, f of y plus y1 plus c equal to 0. This is the equation of the tangent. Now this is the theoretical concept, how the equation of the tangent is derived. How the equation of the tangent is derived. I already gave a diagram like this. This is the chord. So this is the chord, say PQ. This chord PQ having the endpoints x1 comma y1 and x2 comma y2. These are the line joining any 2 points. This is the chord PQ. This chord becomes tangent at x1 comma y1. This is called tangent. This is the derivation. This is the equation of the tangent. But initially, before this, when we are working out the problem, I gave an idea. What is the idea? Equation of the tangent. Then replace x squared equal to xx1. Then y squared equal to yy1. Then 2x equal to x plus x1. 2y equal to y plus y1. Then 2xy is equal to xy1 plus yx1. I already gave this an idea. This is the procedure to find the equation of the tangent. So substitute This is the concept we already discussed. So substitute x squared equal to xx1, y squared equal to yy1, 2x equal to x plus x1, 2y equal to y plus y1, 2xy equal to, suppose if you are having, but not, this is not in your circle general formation, but if you have this, replace 2xy equal to xy1 plus 2x1, we can get the equation of the tangent. Now listen, what is the equation of the circle? Equation of the circle. What is the general equation of the circle? See here, x squared plus y squared 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. So x squared plus y squared plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0 is the general equation of the circle. Use this logic, we can get the same answer. Think about x squared is replaced by xx1. So equation of the tangent. See the logic. So equation of the tangent. See, x squared is replaced by xx1. Now y squared is replaced by yy1. So y squared is replaced by yy1. See this. Keep g as common. 2x is replaced by x plus x1. 2x is replaced by x plus x1. Then keep f as common. 2f is replaced by, what is the value? Y plus y1. Then c is a constant. See this one. This is also the equation of the tangent. Compare these two. Both the results are same. xx1, xx1. yy1, yy1. g of x plus x1. f of y plus y1. Then c equal to 0 is the equation of the tangent. This concept is a theoretical concept. Then how this theoretical concept is used in our problems worked? When we are going to use this concept only for working out the problems. But theoretically, how this chord becomes tangent. So you have to learn the theory, but when we are using this concept for the problems only. So x squared is replaced by x1, very short formation. Then y squared is replaced by yy1. Then 2x is replaced by 2y is replaced by. This is not in your circle formation, because there is no coefficient of xy in the general form of the equation of the circle. X squared y squared 2gx 2fy plus c equal to 0 is the equation of the circle. Therefore we replace this concept. This is only for when we are working out the problems, we are using this logic only. But for the problems, suppose a theory question may be asked, derive the equation of the tangent at x1 comma y1 to the circle x squared plus y squared plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. So this is the derivation part. So everyone should learn the theoretical concept, how it happens, why it comes. So like this you can analyze your brain, then use the concept, then you are able to get the equations, theoretical concept like this. After well versed in your theoretical concept, use this type of shortcut procedure to get the questions, the answers for the questions. Therefore, you can use this idea when we are using in your problems works on based on your problems. This is for theory. Suppose, what is the equation of the tangent? See this one. Equation of the circle. Equation of the circle. X squared plus y squared equal to r squared. Instead of r squared, we can use a squared also. So this is also equation of the circle. When we are using this one, if the center is at origin, we can use x squared plus y squared equal to r squared. See this one. Now we can get the tangent. Equation of the tangent. Equation of the tangent. Now listen. What is the formula to procedure to find the equation of the tangent? X squared is replaced by xx1. So x squared is replaced by xx1. Y squared is replaced by yy1 is equal to r squared. So this is also equation of the tangent. So use this logic directly, we are able to get equation of the tangent. So this is the procedure to find equation of the chord. Then after that, the chord becomes tangent at x1 comma y1. Chord is nothing but the line joining any 2 points. Tangent is equation of the line, sorry, it touches the circle at only one point. That is called equation of the tangent. So, dear students, make very sure how this theoretical concept we derived. So, practice yourself. Thank you.